Hi everyone, welcome to another video. No, it's not a nail video. I just happen to be at work. I tried to film this earlier, but I couldn't get the lighting right at home. I do have a ring light on the way, but I couldn't wait to film this video. So I wanted to talk to you guys about a new palette that I got over the holidays. I got the Urban Decay Heavy Metals Palette. I was so excited. I've been wanting this palette for a while. I don't buy a lot of eyeshadow palettes anymore because I have so many eyeshadows in my collection and it's so hard to go through them. However, this one I felt was really special and I did really want to get it. And over the holidays, I got like a Facebook ad popped up in my newsfeed that they were on sale half price at Shoppers Drug Mart. So this was regularly $72 and I got it for $35. So I was really excited. I like ran right out of the house to get it. So this is it. It's a beautiful palette. It's supposed to look sort of like crushed metal, and then it sort of slides out to show all these beautiful colors. So on this side, you've got your sort of bold and bright, cool colors. And then on this side, you've got your warm colors and your neutrals. So this is a really nice add-on palette. I wouldn't say that this is like a basic palette because they are all foiled or metallic shadows. It would be hard to create an entire eye look with a palette like this, but it is a really fun one to add to your collection if you have a lot of neutrals already. So it just slides out and you have this sort of palette. It's got the mirror in the middle. It's not the most practical palette in the world. It's a little bit bulky, but if you were traveling, you wouldn't probably take this with you because you're gonna take probably like your Naked palette or something like that that has a little bit of everything in it. But it's a really nice add-on palette. So this is what I got. It's brand new. I have the color Amp, this one right here, I've got on my lid right there. And I just wanted to share with you guys how beautiful this was. I got a really good deal on it. I was really excited about that. And then also, I just wanted to do a super quick sort of demonstration of how I like to use eyeshadows like this. So I find myself personally, if you use just a brush in a palette like this, you're not going to get the color payoff that you're looking for. So there's two ways to me that work really well. The first way is to wet your brush, your eyeshadow brush. I'd use like a flat eyeshadow brush. I don't have any brushes with me because I'm at work now, but just like a flat shader brush wetted with your setting spray. I would just spray that on the brush and use it in these colors. The way I like to use them myself personally is with my fingers. So what I did today was I applied sort of a pinky burgundy color in the crease, just a flat color. I applied a flat sort of vanilla shade up above my crease, up underneath the brow bone, and then I applied a dark brown sort of in the outer V. And then I applied sort of a teal color on the lid, and then I went in with the amped color right there with my finger. I'll just show you guys really quick what I did. And these are really pigmented. Like, that's crazy. So what I do is I take a little bit on my finger and I pat it on the lid. So I find by doing it that way, you get a lot more color payoff, and it really shows the metallic in the color. I don't need to add a lot, of course, because I already have a full face of makeup on, but I wanted to show you guys that's how I like to use them. I likely will never use a brush in that palette. Once in a while, like I might take a small sort of pencil brush in one of these light colors for maybe the inner corner, something like that, but that's how I like to use the metallic colors and the foiled eyeshadows. That's how I like to use them. So that's my quick little review on the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. I absolutely love it. I got a really good price on it. However, I do think it is worth the full price. You get a lot of colors. You get, let me see, you get 20 colors for $72. I actually find eyeshadow palettes are the best value for your money as far as buying eyeshadows. Like if you're gonna buy them in individual pots, you're gonna spend a lot more money. Even if you'd only use half of the colors in your palette, it's still gonna be more cost effective than buying them individually. So that's my review on the Urban Decay Heavy Metals Palette and a little demonstration on how I like to use those types of eyeshadows. I hope you guys found that interesting. I did get another Urban Decay palette for Christmas. I'm going to do a review on that as well coming soon, and hopefully I'll have my ring light by then. And that's it for today, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and stay tuned for another one. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to get notified when I put out new videos. And don't forget to like this and leave a comment below. Did you get this palette? Do you love this palette? Is there another one that you have that I should have? Tell me what you guys think. Start a little conversation down there, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.